Hi, Shane Guilford here, Cheshire College South and West Hospitality Department at the Crewe campus. Tonight I'm going to show you a very simple spaghetti bolognese. Now, little birdie tells me this is Lyndsey Farrington's favourite dish, so we're going to affectionately call this Fazza's spag bol. For this we need some minced beef. I'm going to put some diced peppers in ours, an onion base, passata or mushroom or whatever jar sauce you have, obviously spaghetti or any pasta will do, some bread, garlic bread to serve with it, seasoning and a stock cube base, and then cheese, preferably parmesan to grate over the top. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our frozen garlic bread, just wrap it in tin foil and stick that on the side ready to put in the oven later. Okay, so as normal, just going to finely or as small as we can chop the onion. I'm going to do the same with a couple of pieces of pepper, as many colours of it as you can. Okay, so into our pan, I'm just going to heat up a splash of oil, and that's what we're going to fry our vegetables off in. So in goes the veg. Now we'll cook that just until it starts to go soft, so about 3 or 4 minutes in the pan. Meanwhile, while that's cooking, I'm going to tip the minced beef onto the board, because when it comes from the supermarket it's always quite chunky, so I'm just going to chop that down a little bit just so it's a little bit finer, a little bit smaller, just personal preference. Okay, so about 3 minutes has gone, so now in with our minced beef. Okay, and start to coat that. Cook that until it goes evenly brown. There's no pink of the meat left. A little season, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, so now we've had raw meat in our board, we need to spray and wipe it to get rid of any bacteria. Okay, so our vegetables and meat are all nicely coloured evenly and cooked through. Now we've got lots of nice beef juice there, so I'm going to leave that in there, just reduce it, while I add just a little splash of red wine. It is a Fazza spag bol after all. Okay, so we're going to use passata for ours, it's only a family tea after all, so we had one open in the fridge to use up. So because that's heavily tomatoey, I'm going to add a little bit more meaty flavour to it, so I've got about 1/4 of a pint. So quite an intense OXO cube stock there. So I'm just going to pour that in and let all that juice pretty much evaporate away. So all the flavours into the meat and veg, and then just finish it off with the passata. Okay, so our liquid is more or less evaporated now, so I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of dried oregano to give the sauce even more depth and flavour. Okay, so now here I've got a nice large saucepan with boiling water, a pinch of salt and a splash of vegetable oil to cook the spaghetti in. The oil is in there to stop the spaghetti sticking together. So just plunge it in and just follow the instructions as per the packet. I think this is 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so our water and stock and juice and wine is almost evaporated now. So I'm going to just finish the bolognese with the passata. If you find it's a little bit watery still, what you can do, just tighten it up with a few gravy granules just to give the sauce a bit of body. Some people like it watery and thin or non-thickened. In this household we like it quite thick and nice and rich, so we could sprinkle a few granules in ours. Okay, now I'm going to drain our spaghetti. Okay, so there's our spaghetti. Now some people like to mix the sauce in with the spaghetti, coat it all and serve it that way. We've got a difference of opinion in this household. I like mine the pasta on the side with the bolognese in the middle of it. So I'm going to do mine first and then coat the wife's in the bolognese. Okay, so now we're just going to finish by grating a little bit of parmesan on top. 2, 1. Couple of twists of pepper. And there we have Fazza's spag bol.